Today I am going to discuss with you one more story. The name of the story is More or Chidiya, Peacock and Bird. The story tells us why we call or why peacock is only the national bird of India. It's really give a nice message through this. The writer is giving a very nice message through the story that if you want to be important or if you want to be famous or you want that people should give you respect, you have to work hard for that. So let's read the story. कटहल के वृक्ष पर एक चिड़िया का घोंसला था. कटहल इज जैकफ्रूट, वृक्ष इज ट्री, चिड़िया बर्ड स्पैरो, घोंसला नेस्ट. So on a jackfruit tree there was a nest of small bird, one sparrow. चिड़िया बड़े आराम से अपने घोंसले में रहती थी. And आराम से means relaxed or very nicely. So she was staying in that nest very nicely with comfort. एक मोर कहीं से उड़ता उड़ता आया. One peacock came flying from somewhere. वह बहुत थका था. थका is tired. He was very tired. कटहल का घना वृक्ष देखा तो वहां विश्राम करने बैठ गया. घना means dense, वृक्ष tree. So when he saw the dense jackfruit tree, Vishram is rest. So he sat on that tree to take rest. चिड़िया दूर कहीं भोजन की तलाश में गई हुई थी. And that bird, she went some far place in search of food. तलाश is search, भोजन is food. घर लौटी तो मोर को देखा. When she returned home, she saw peacock. मोर आंखें बंद किए आराम कर रहा था. By closing his eyes, peacock was taking rest. वह उसी डाल पर बैठा था जिस पर चिड़िया का घोंसला था. And he was sitting on the same branch where that bird's nest was. डाल मोर के भार से झुक गई थी. And as you all know that peacock is a very big bird. So because of the heavy weight of that peacock, that branch was bent. झुक means bent. चिड़िया को अच्छा नहीं लगा. That bird, she didn't liked it. जैसे ही मोर ने आंख खोली, the moment that peacock opened his eyes, चिड़िया बोली, that bird said, भाई तुम इतने भारी भरकम जानवर कौन हो? भाई, as you know children, peacock is a male. मोर जो है वो masculine gender है, male है, और मोरनी जो है वो feminine gender है. So this is the reason, as peacock is a male. So this is the reason that bird she addressed him as a bhai, means brother, and said, तुम इतने भारी भरकम जानवर कौन हो? जानवर means animal. Who are you? Such a heavy weight animal. मोर बोला. Then peacock said, चिड़िया बहन. As I said, peacock is male, but चिड़िया, sparrow, is female. So this is the reason peacock addressed her as Behan, means sister. He said, "Oh sister bird, मैं मोर हूँ. I am peacock. मैं कोई जानवर नहीं हूँ. I am not any animal. मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह एक पक्षी हूँ. I am also a bird like you. पक्षी is also bird." चिड़िया बोली. Then that bird said, तुम जो भी हो नीचे चले जाओ. Whoever are you, just go down from here. देखते नहीं मेरा घोंसला तुम्हारे बोझ से नीचे झुका जा रहा है. Can't you see? Because of your heavy weight, my branch is bending down. मोर उड़कर पेड़ के नीचे चला गया. So that peacock, he flew and came down from that tree. संध्या होने वाली थी. संध्या means evening. So it was going to become evening. आकाश में बादल छाने लगे. And the sky get covered with the clouds. मोर खुशी से चिल्ला उठा. चिल्लाना means shouting. So peacock became very happy by seeing the sky covering with black clouds, and he started shouting, quack, 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 quack. This is the sound of peacock in Hindi. So he started making sounds. He started shouting with happiness. चिड़िया को मोर की आवाज अच्छी नहीं लगी. Bird, she didn't like peacock's voice. आवाज is voice or sound. वह बोली, she said, पक्षी तो हल्के फुल्के होते हैं. That birds are very light weighted. हल्के फुल्के means light weight. देखो मैं कितनी हल्की फुल्की हूँ. Just look at me, how light weighted I am. मेरी उड़ान कितनी तेज है. How long I can fly. आवाज भी कितनी मीठी है. And my voice is also very sweet. और अपने ओर देखो. And just look at yourself. पंख इतने बड़े बड़े और भारी हैं कि तुम्हें पक्षी कहने में भी संकोच होता है. Just look at yourself. Your feathers are so heavy that means I'm getting hesitation. Means people will get hesitated to call you as a bird. संकोच means hesitation. क्या लाभ है? What is the use? इन पंखों का कि तुम दूर तक उड़ भी नहीं सकते. What is the use of such a heavy feather that you can't even fly so far? मोर ने उत्तर दिया. Then peacock answered, चिड़िया रानी, O queen bird, मैं सबसे सुंदर पक्षी माना जाता हूँ. I am the most beautiful bird. मेरे भारी पंख ही तो मेरी शोभा है. My शोभा means beauty. So my heavy feather is my beauty. मेरी आवाज भले ही मीठी नहीं है. Though my voice is not very sweet. But इन रंग बिरंगे पंखों के कारण लोग मुझे प्यार करते हैं. Though my voice is not very sweet, but because of my colorful feather, people they like me. इन्हीं से मैं नृत्य करता हूँ. नृत्य means dance. With the help of these heavy feather, I dance. ये पंख मेरा गौरव है. These feathers are my pride. और गौरव के पीछे हमेशा कुछ भार होता ही है. And if you want to become pride or you want to take pride, there will be some heaviness behind that. That means if you want to get an opportunity, you want to known as a famous thing or you want to be identified by everybody, it is important to put your hard work behind that. So the peacock is telling that these feathers are my pride, and because of these feathers only people love me, and because of these feathers only I am the most beautiful bird. So, and if you want to take pride of something, you have to bear the burden also. अतः मैं खुश हूँ. So that I am very happy कि यह भार मुझे दिया गया है. That this burden, this heaviness is given to me. जानते हो, जानती हो, do you know? मैं भारत का राष्ट्रीय पक्षी हूँ. I am the national bird of India. पक्षी राज कहलाता हूँ. People call me the king of all the birds. आकाश घने बादलों से ढक गया था. The sky was covered with the dense clouds. काले बादल देखकर मोर खुश हो गया. By seeing those black clouds, peacock became very happy. अपने पंख फैलाकर नाचने लगा. He spread his feather and started dancing. चिड़िया घोंसले में बैठी उसका नाच और सुंदर पंख देखकर मुग्ध हो रही थी. मुग्ध होना मतलब getting attracted. So that bird was sitting in her nest and watching her dance and beautiful feather, and she was getting attracted to him. मन ही मन बोली. And then in his heart she said, पक्षीराज मोर, तुम धन्य हो. That O king of all the birds, peacock, you are great. इतने भारी पंखों से कितना सुंदर नृत्य कर रहे हो. With these heavy feathers, how nicely you are dancing. मैं आपका सम्मान करती हूँ. I respect you. आप सच में गर्व करने लायक हो. You are really a bird whom we can take pride. मुझे अपने राष्ट्रीय पक्षी पर गर्व है. I'm proud on my national bird. मोर मग्न होकर नाच रहा था. Means with full dedication the peacock was dancing. बादल गरजा. The cloud was making sound, roaring. मानो वह भी गरज गरज कर रहा हो. हाँ हाँ, हमें अपने राष्ट्रीय पक्षी पर गर्व है. That thunderstorm, the cloud sound, the roar sound of cloud, it was like saying that everything was telling that, oh, we have proud on our national bird. Thank you.